Welcome to another video. Ratchet Davo here. Today we are moving the 370. The 370 has been sitting for a year, or yeah, about a year. So we're gonna get it moved finally. Got a dolly. Have no fear. I know dollies are made for front wheel drive cars. I have no motor or transmission, anything like that, so nothing can be harmed. While doing this, I have to move a couple things around that are in the way, and then I have a buddy coming to help me push the car on the dolly, and then we will be underway. And then hopefully might be doing a little bit of work on the car tonight. I got to pump up a tire real quick. There's just a lot of things on the list to do today, but that's one thing that I was going to get knocked out before. I don't have time. I need to get the 370 to the new garage and start working on it because we got a lot to do. All right. Can we just appreciate how somehow awesome this car looks without fenders on? I don't know why. I just enjoy seeing all the tire in the front. But it's time to load this baby up. I haven't seen sunlight in a long time. So sad. That's alright. It's time to get built. So here we are in the garage. It's a few days later. I've been a little bit busy, but I did get the car moved that day without incident and into the garage. So now that we're here, we're just gonna go kind of right into it. So I have a couple plans. First of all, these wheels, which I apologize for low light, these wheels are going off to get repaired because I bought them and they're not terrible, but you can't even see it. You can actually see it lit up on the camera a little bit. There's some curb rash, and one of the wheels actually has a bend on it. Right here, there's a little bit of a bend, and I apologize. The GoPro's not good in low light, but regardless, we're gonna get that taken care of. We got a lot of boxes because of the move, but it fits pretty good in the garage overall. And I got furniture that's still in here that's going to be moved out and all that. The FZ09 is still here, but I'm just going to dive right in. Tomorrow I'm taking the wheels to get these stretch tires dismounted and the wheels over to the repair shop. I'm going to drop them off and leave them there for a couple weeks. I won't need them anyways, but I wanted to go ahead and get them repaired. So they're looking right.